Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. On today's video, we are going to be talking about how to fix screen tearing and low FPS in Minecraft, especially in Java Edition Minecraft. But now exactly what it is screen tearing. Screen tearing is where the image on your screen is distorted, and you can see some tearing on parts of the screen, and this can happen because of different issues, even if it is that your display and your game frames per second are at different frames, or your graphic card is not able to keep up with the demands of the game itself. Now, let's take a look at all the steps that you are going to do to fix this problem. The first step that we're going to do is to open your graphics driver. Sometimes an update of your graphic card can fix this problem. Now, open your web browser and open one of the links in the description down below depending on what graphic card you're using, if it is from NVIDIA or AMD. Now, inside of the NVIDIA website, you want to search for the model of graphic card that you have, submit, and then select the version of Windows that you're using. Let's say, for example, Windows 11, and you want to download it from here. My recommendation is to download the auto detect and install it here on the bottom. For NVIDIA, it's almost the same thing. You want to select the graphic card that you have, what model, what version of Windows are you using, and then click into search and download the drivers for you. Once that is done, you can close your web browser and go into your display. You want to right click anywhere empty in the display and go into display settings. Inside of here you have different monitors. Select the one that you're using and you're having these problems, and you want to scroll down until you see the display resolution. I always recommend you guys that you choose the recommended display resolution for the monitor that you have, and after that you want to go to advanced display, and right here select the maximum available hertz or refresh rate that your monitor uses. Back into the display menu, scroll down once more and you want to click into graphics. Right here you want to search for the Minecraft version that you have, and you want to change this from let Windows decide into options for high performance using your graphic card that you have in your PC. Click into save. Now you can close the settings menu, and now we can start opening Minecraft and tweak some settings in there. Now, if you have NVIDIA with G-Sync or AMD with FreeSync, you want to make sure that you have it selected in your NVIDIA control panel or your AMD control panel. If you have the problem with it on, set it into off and test it like that. Now when you have Minecraft open, you want to go into the options. From here, go into the video settings. And right here, depending on the maximal frame rate of your monitor, you want to reduce the maximal frame rate of Minecraft itself. In my case, it's 70 something, 74, so I'm going to set it to 80. Another thing that you can do right here is to set your render distance a little bit lower, let's say something like 10 or 8 chunks, to reduce the load in your PC. Now you can turn off smooth lighting. Now the graphics, you can also set it a little bit lower and test them out to see if this fixes your problem. Another option is VSync. Right here, you can turn it on or off and try it out both ways. Clouds into fancy, you can change them and turn it off, as well as all the particles and the entity shadows as well. After you have done that and you still have the problem, you can download a mod like Optifine to help you improve some of the things, and it's also going to give you some more graphic options that you can turn down and set up the way you want it, and it's going to run best for your system. Now, one last option is to close opened programs that they are running in the background and they are taking performance from your PC. For that, you want to right click into Start button, go into the Task Manager, and when the Task Manager is open, here you are going to see all the apps that you have open. You want to right click into them and to click into End Task. Another option that you can do is to go under Startup Apps and disable all the applications that you don't really need to have running while you start your PC. Let's say, for example, that I want to turn Steam off, that is not going to start with my PC. You want to right click into it and click into disable. I really hope this guide have helped you guys to improve your frames per second and to fix the problem of screen tearing in your PC. And if it did, guys, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is always welcome into the channel. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.